Trading on a regulated forex broker is a must for you in this new year. Trading is easier when you have the right tools, and here I've combined few indicators together to come up with this winning forex trading strategy that you can consistently use and consistently make money using this particular strategy, trading on a regulated forex broker in this new year. Now let us go on to today's strategy. Here are a few indicators that I've combined together for this particular strategy to trade profitably. Here I have moving averages, two moving averages here, and I have this Peter indicator, and here is my MACD indicator. This is normalized MACD indicator to trade profitably on a regulated forex brokers. Now, how do I use this particular strategy? I'm going to show you how to use this and the settings for the indicators. And I'm going to include all the indicators in my video descriptions, and I will include my template. Make sure you check it out to download it after watching this particular strategy and how to use it profitably on any time frame you want to trade on. Now, here is a buy setup that we have here. We have the black moving averages here that cross above the red moving average at this particular point. And when you look at the indicator window, we have normalized MACD changing to black from the red, and it did cross the zero line. And this is another confirmation for us to place a buy trade on any regulated forex brokers that you want to trade on. And I did include some links to some of these regulated forex brokers in my video description. Do check them out. Now I have this confirmation here from normalized MACD, and a few candles after, this is on 1 hour, I have a PTR indicator that did change to black for a buy, and we have good confirmation from all the indicators at this particular point to go long, and this did deliver well. Excuse me. And here it did deliver well. And when you check a few candles later, we have another sell signal here where we have the black moving average did cross the red moving average. And when you look at the normalized MACD, we do have a sell signal here, and this was below the zero line on MACD, and we have the Peter indicator here on this at this particular point. So this is another setup for us where to place our trade. This is a non-repainting forex trading strategy that you can use on MetaTrader 4. And when you place your trade for a sell, your stop loss will be few pips above the previous high while you ride the trend. And for a buy signal, your stop loss will be few pips above the previous low, and you ride the trend. Now, how do I now enter more trade? For instance, if you miss the first setup and you want to enter more trade at the break of this particular point, you can enter more trade, and your stop loss will be few pips above the previous low or below the moving average. Now let's go back a bit and check other time and see the setup. And here is another sell setup here. This did cross below zero level, and it did turn to red. We have the moving average below the red. It did cross at this particular point, and we have the PTI indicator at this point that did confirm this particular setup. And here you can add more to your trade at this particular candle. You can add more. Let's check this on 15-minute time frame. This is 1 hour, and on gold you can use this particular strategy on any time frame you want. So at this particular point, we did have a sell signal generated by the two moving averages. We have a sell signal generated here. We have the confirmation at this particular point, and we write the trend. Your stop loss is going to be 3 pips above the previous high. At this particular point, this this moving average did cross above the red one for a buy, but when you look at the normalized MACD, it's still below the zero line, and when you check the PTI, the line still stay on top. This is PTI line, still stay on top, that the signal is still down. So at this particular point, you can go on to enter more trade, where the moving average did cross again in the direction of a PTI indicator, and on this PTI indicator, you can enter more trade where this particular moving average did cross below the red in agreement with other indicators. So this is how to trade profitably using this particular indicator or strategies on a MetaTrader 4. Now let's check it on 5-minute time frame. It's still the same methodology, and on 1-minute time frame it's still the same methodology. So this is how to use this particular indicator profitably, and you can use this on any forex pairs you want to trade. It can be used on crypto, it can be used on stocks, and you can use it any time of the day that you want to trade. Just make sure you follow this simple rule. It is profitable, and this is non-repainting forex trading strategy that you can use on any regulated forex brokers. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, this is a new year, do make sure you subscribe, give me a like, that is a thumb up, and do share my video. The download links to all the indicators I use in this particular strategy is in the video descriptions, and I did include my template. Do make sure you download it. And I say happy new year to every one of you. Make sure you trade profitably on a regulated forex brokers. Check Forex Factory and trade any strategy you have on a demo account. Open a demo account on any forex brokers and try out every indicator on demo account you've opened, or strategy on any demo account you've opened. See if you are consistent before you go live. Now let me show you all the indicators I use for this particular strategy, though I did include my template. The dot indicator, the PTI indicator, this is what I use, and these are the colors. And here is my input. The slow length is 18. Just make sure you pause the video and you use and enter the values for this particular indicator. And the first moving average that I use for this particular forex trading strategy is 8, and the MA method is exponential applied to close, and I did use a black color. And the second moving average that I used for this particular strategy is 21. The period is 21. The MA method is exponential applied to close, and I did use this red color. And I have this Ikinachi auto with candle indicator, the black and the red here candle. This is what I use just for the colors. Then the indicators I have on the indicator windows is a normalized MACD, and this is my setting. This is not the default setting. Make sure you enter it accordingly, and you can change the color here. But if you do not want to go over all this stress, do download my template. I did include my template. Check my video description. You will see the download link there. Do download it. So this is all I use for this particular non-repainting winning forex trading strategy that I've practiced, and I've been using it. It is consistent. Just make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. See, I come your way again. Happy New Year to you once again. I remain your fellow forex trader Joe, and bye for now.